From today's opening bell to everything unfolding at CES, artificial intelligence continues to drive markets. Our next guest says that companies can't simply use AI, they must also become AI firms. Joining me now with more is Julian Sharka, CEO of Domyn, which researches and develops responsible AI for regulated industries. Julian, welcome.
Thank you. Good morning.
Yeah, great to have you here at the stock exchange today. Talk to me more about what your company is doing.
So we're building foundational models and giving them to companies so that they can own them and become an AI company. We believe that this is an IP revolution, so companies will need to choose whether they give their data to somebody else or they own them. And the only way for them doing so, it's owning the models. Now, this doesn't apply for everything, but for their most precious trade secrets, it's crucial.
And how is your company going to lean into your strategy in 2026?
So our goal for 2026 is to educate the companies, the market, that AI is not about everything. AI is just a piece of the puzzle. We believe that only a small portion of AI projects are going in production, mostly because there is a communication problem. People think that AI models can do everything and then their expectations are not being met. So we're going to invest a lot of time in showing companies how you can have middle steps and iterate through AI projects to get them done.
CES is underway in Las Vegas, the Consumer Electronics Show. Is there anything unfolding there that excites you at the moment?
I think the innovation that we're seeing with chips and how fast these supercomputers are growing to enable models become better and faster and also enable organizations own a piece of the AI infrastructure is going to be a huge deal this year. And what I saw at CES actually gives me hopes that companies will be able to become AI companies because they're going to have the tools to do so.
What are the risks that exist when it comes to AI infrastructure?
I think it's mostly concentration because we're putting AI infrastructure in the hands of a few, and that can literally create a gate to AI adoption. And I hope that we're going to be able to enable everyone to own a piece of it and not just a handful of companies make these hundreds of billions of investments that potentially will not turn a profit because, again, we cannot have everyone to be an AI adopter. We need to distribute and decentralize AI so that it can benefit everyone. Otherwise, we're going to have a few big monopolies and everybody else just being a user.
How is Domyn connecting with clients this year?
So clients are looking for us because we have built some great case studies with customers over the past few years where we made this bet that we should enable them to have this adoption differently. So think of data security and data readiness first. There is a systems integration challenge that we help customers solve before they bring AI into production to make it safer. And only then we deploy agents in use cases that are prioritized based on business goals, and not just for the sake of AI. And the word of mouth is actually helping us a lot. Customers are getting to us actually in financial services, which is our main domain and sweet spot. We have more demand that we can manage, so we're raising money to actually keep up with it.
You're partnering with NVIDIA. What more can you share on that front?
So we're building one of the largest AI supercomputers in Europe, and we plan to continue doing so across Europe and also in the US. NVIDIA is such a great company because they are enabling, unicorns like us to dream of 100 billion in market cap, but potentially why not over the long term even in 1 trillion. So have only good things to say about NVIDIA and how they're thinking of building an open platform and enabling everyone to actually play the game.
Where can this partnership go from here with NVIDIA?
I think what NVIDIA is doing is going beyond chips, investing a lot in software. Jensen and his team have been brilliant in actually open sourcing these models and enabling actually the market to access AI not just as a user but also as a creator. So we're looking forward to develop more models with them where we create domain expertise. So we bring together foundational capabilities and domain expertise to accelerate the readiness of AI in specific mission-critical environments. For example, this year we aim to extend our market reach beyond financial services into defense, government, and advanced manufacturing.
Anything more you'd like to share for our viewers, Julian?
So I think we're living in a sort of a reality distortion with AI because AI is such a powerful tool. I mean, finally, we have people talking to machines. We can close the digital divide, we can close the digital skills gap. But we should not glorify AI as a digital god. We should be more realistic. I like to think of AI as a good electrical car rather than a flying car. It is going to be a flying car, but it's going to take time. So we need to be very honest in communication, because this tool is going to change, the market forever, positively speaking. But we need to be very honest about its capabilities and the path forward to profitability.
Ulyan Sharka, CEO of Domyn, joining me here in studio at the New York Stock Exchange. Thank you again.
Thank you.